Want to share repairing my first GameCube game using the EcoPro 2 disc repair system. And this is Mario Kart Double Dash. You can see it's scratched. It's not terribly scratched. It would actually probably work in this condition, but I want to clean it up. I did have to buy the adapter plate from the website. There is some double-sided tape. I'm going to peel this off. You can see it leaves a little piece of tape there. That's to keep the disc from slipping while it's getting cleaned. It does come, whenever I bought this thing, it came with 4 more. Or you can use some double-sided tape or something, I guess. So anyways, I'm gonna put that in here. I'm gonna try, I probably would normally, with these kind of scratches, I'd probably normally do a 2-minute cycle. So I guess I'll go ahead and do a 2-minute cycle. Make sure it's all the way in there, inside of that ring. Okay, it is. And yeah, I'm gonna run a 2-minute cycle here, and we'll come back and see what the disc looks like. Okay, it just finished. It just popped open. Let's see what it looks like. It looks pretty good. Still see a few like really light ones, but it's really nice. It looks way better than it did. So yeah, I'm happy enough with those results. I could run it a little longer, but I don't see the point. So anyway, just wanted to share that process with y'all. And yeah, I can sell this on eBay now, I guess.